In less than 3 hours, thousands of healthcare workers across the country say they'll walk off the job. And this includes about 400 employees right here in the D.C. region. Matt Gregory is following these developments for us. And Matt, we've never seen a labor dispute of this magnitude in healthcare. What is behind it?
I mean, this is all about staffing, Annie. At the end of the day, healthcare workers claim they're understaffed, underpaid, and overworked. Kaiser's team counters saying it pays competitively. And at this point, it looks like the dispute will head to a strike this morning. Now, the workers belong to the coalition of Kaiser Permanente unions. These are nurses, technicians, housekeepers, the people that make the hospital run. And there are several Kaiser facilities in our area. You just heard Annie say around 400 workers, and that's where we expect to see them walk out. Part of what could be the largest healthcare worker strike ever in the United States. And back in April, the union started negotiating its new labor contract. Now, the leaders say the COVID-19 pandemic led to burnout and workers leaving the job. As a result, the remaining workers have been understaffed and overworked. They want to see pay increases across the board, and they contend that Kaiser has made record profits over the last 3 years, but won't extend that to the workers.
They have a lot of employees that are very knowledgeable with a lot of potential. And the fact that they don't want to invest and they don't want to bargain in good faith is very disappointing.
Now, Kaiser has countered, saying it leads in total compensation in every market it operates. They claim that they offer a great benefits package and that they provided nearly $1 billion in special benefits during the pandemic. The managed care company says it will continue attempts to negotiate throughout this morning. But like I said, as of right now, there's still no agreement. And again, this would mean around 75,000 workers across the country walk out this morning at 9 a.m. We'll be following this. Guys, back to you.
Matt, thanks. And we mentioned it off the top there, about 400 employees right in our region. And, you know, it's just a trickle effect if they can't reach an agreement. So hopefully they will.
Yeah, we'll see what happens this morning. Like I said, the strike actually begins at 6 a.m. West Coast, which is 9 a.m. our time. That's what we've been told. But I mean, you have Kaiser offices in D.C., you have some in Maryland, you have some in Virginia. We'll be heading out to in Sterling. And we're going to watch this up close because this is a big deal. The largest healthcare strike possibly in our nation's history.
Matt Gregory, thank you.